Worldwatch is 10 p.m. PST, August 4th. The DOLPHIN is strengthening once again. What do you find? I mean, this thing keeps going and going in the Western Pacific. It has 100 knot winds, 25.4 north, 158.3 east, and it's moving westward and will continue moving westward through the next few days. They expected to potentially hold its own for the next 3 to 4 days before it slowly weakens as it approaches China. Japanese islands on the 7th. Before that, GEFS is starting to feel a trough longer term, so potentially skimming China. That would be interesting if that does happen. EPS does not show, which has held true from last night, pretty much. Um, we got another system, which is KUJIRA, which is near Luzon, the Philippines, 17.6 north, 118.7 east, 3 knot winds. I'm gonna be honest. I think it's a tropical storm personally, but it's very sheared. I mean, it reminds me of Bertha a few weeks ago in the Gulf of Mexico. Clearly getting sheared. Well-defined LSC, as you can see. Expected to turn eastward and cross Luzon and weaken to a remnant low as it is doing so. Um, yep. Here's GFS, which actually shows it really strengthening instead. We'll have to see what it does. Um, EPS is even stronger longer term. Even a Typhoon. We'll see. 96W, 19.1 north, 166 west. It's still looking pretty bad, but hey, I mean, Auto's definitely strengthening it as it curves towards the northwest, towards Japan. Um, EPS definitely strengthens in the Typhoon. 985 millibars in 48 hours. Wow. We'll have to see. It definitely has an LSC, but definitely pretty shared system. Um, Eastern Pacific, we got two systems to watch. One in the Central Pacific. Um, Western portion of the Eastern Pacific is producing some convection. Environmental conditions appear marginally favorable for the environment over the next several days. It moves west at 10 to 15 miles per hour, 20% at 7 days. And there's one in the Western East Pacific had 20% at 7 days. It's also going to move west. Let's take a look at the Eastern Pacific. Wow. This is kind of interesting here. I mean, a bit of a broad LSC, but very close to dry and stable air. Yeah. But hey, I mean, we're going to be watching systems over the next few days. See if something develops. Hey, maybe later on we could even get something closer to Mexico. We'll have to see. Atlantic, we're watching a system south of the Cape Verde, but it's doubtful to form. But longer term, I mean, we could see a system come off of Africa in 8, 9, 10 days that could actually have a better chance of formation. And this is what here is the ECMWF AI model, as you can see. I mean, between 180 and 240, as you can see, it shows the system moving and the MDR. ECMWF shows a bit of a system. GEM, maybe a little bit of system. So it's interesting. It's worth watching. So we're going to keep an eye on it. And yeah, I mean, we're going to see if something can form or not. Here's something cool. A fire NATO in Oregon. I mean, Southeast Oregon. I mean, why not? I mean, all this smoke.
Philip sits via Storyful, a
Look at
wildland
that.
firefighter,
I mean,
capturing this incredible video in
an
Malibu
actual fire
County.
tornado.
Fire whirls form very similar
And
to that of a dust devil
that's really
as
cool.
wildfires rapidly
So
keep
that
us
is
around
your
in the air.
worldwatch.
That air rises, creating a micro